po'y pagpaseha sa inyo na talagang. Kasi ako po'y rebel attorney. At kaya ganito po ang nakikita ko po ang ginawa ng OPA-Pro. Malaking pagbabago sa aming mga kababayan. Nagpapasalamat po ako kay General Galvez sa binigay niyong tulong sa aming bayan. Dahil sa malaking bagay po ito. Dahil nung una po, wala pa pong kalsada, 15 habal-habal lang po ang bumabiyahe doon sa Barangay Panaytayan. Pero nung pong pumasok ang OPA-Pro, ngayon po ay mahigit 100 na silang naghahanap buhay. Ang mga kalakal po, dati po ay 6 na oras binababa. Ngayon po, doon po sa dulo na natapos, doon po binababa ang kalakal. Kaya nag-less po ang kanilang pagod sa pagbaba ng kalakal po sa pamamagitan ng paglalakad. Kaya ako po ay naging madamdamin ngayon dahil may gobyernong katulad po ninyo na nakikinig sa aming mga LGU. Napakalaking pagbabago ang ng aking mga kababayang mangyan.
As a proud recipient of the Payapa at Masaganang Pamayanan Fiscal Year 2024 program, our province was entrusted with farm-to-market road projects under Phase 1, amounting to 317 million pesos. And I am very proud to report to you this afternoon that 3 of the 4 projects were completed last November 2024, and the remaining one was completed last May of 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, these roads are more than just infrastructures. They are really pathways to peace and progress. In an agricultural province like ours, they connect remote communities, provide access to markets, and foster trust in government's presence and services. As we sign the Memorandum of Agreement for the Pamana Fiscal Year 2025 program, I offer my deepest gratitude to Secretary Galvez, whose steadfast support continues to uplift our province, to all the undersecretaries, to Director J. Anthony Peña, and the entire OPA-Pro team. Thank you very, very much for standing with us, walking with us, and supporting us in our journey towards peace.
The Payapa na Masaganang Pamayanan programs represent the men and women and institutions who build bridges, both in the literal and figurative sense, between communities, between histories, and between hopes. And today, we continue to build that legacy of peace. Kami po sa Pamana, nandito po kami para tumulong sa inyo. Kung meron po kayong hinaing at saka meron po kayong mga proyekto na kailangan gawin po natin, especially po para sa mahihirap, kami po ay hindi mag-aatubiling tumulong po sa inyo at bibigyan po namin kayo ng prioridad. At ang ano ko po, yung aking one of my favorite quotation, to be a good governor, to be a good mayor, is nothing more of being a good public servant of your community. Improving the services every day, helping those who need help, making a good understanding of those who oppose you, and last and foremost, placing common good before personal profit. Because we serve not for money, but we serve for common good.